Hi everyone! These chocolate banana cupcakes are freshly baked and beautifully presented, with a rich chocolate appearance and a soft, elegant top. The inside of these chocolate banana cupcakes is just amazing, soft, fluffy, and perfectly moist. You can really taste the bananas with the rich chocolate, and it's absolutely irresistible. These are the ingredients for this recipe: 2 ripe bananas, 3 eggs, 40 grams of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, 8 grams of baking powder, 100 grams of sugar, 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 120 grams of oil. First, we add the ripe bananas and eggs into a bowl and mash them well using either a hand blender or a fork. Make sure the bananas are completely smooth. Next, we add the vanilla powder and mix everything well. Then we pour in the sugar and give it a good mix until it's all combined. Next, we add the oil and mix everything well. As you can see in the video, the mixture should have this consistency. At this stage, we sieve the baking powder and cocoa powder once and then add them to the flour. Now we sieve the flour, baking powder, and cocoa powder once more and gradually add it to the cake batter. Gently mix the batter until all the dry ingredients are fully incorporated. As you can see in the video, the cake batter should look like this. You can either line the cupcake pan with the cupcake liners or grease the pan with oil and flour. Pour the cupcake batter into the prepared cupcake liners, filling it about 2/3 full. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and place the cupcake pan in the middle rack. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes. To check if the cupcakes are done, insert a wooden skewer or fork into one of them. If it comes out clean, they are ready. Now your cupcakes are ready. Before serving, let them cool completely, then remove them from the pan. I hope try making these cupcakes, enjoy every bite, and feel full of positive energy. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. I'd be so happy to help. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe.